Now I can walk down the street and have an ambulance pass by me and I'm okay with it. And that is the reason for why psychoacoustics matter a lot, right? We've had anxiety towards loud noises because we think our tinnitus is going to get worse. And we think when our tinnitus gets worse, then our anxiety gets worse. But often I've seen people with very quiet tinnitus have very high reactions to tinnitus, and have people with very high tinnitus, very low reactions. That means even if your tinnitus were to get worse, that not always means that you're going to suffer more. Think about it.